Hello everyone, welcome to my 2024 New Year Reset vlog, where I spent a weekend finishing off the home decor projects, decorating my home, and trying new meal prep recipes. As we step into the fresh chapter of 2024, let's leave the negativity from the previous year behind and embrace the possibilities that the new year holds. I started my weekend with a freshly brewed pot of coffee. This packet is from the coffee advent calendar that I bought for myself in December. Today I opened the second packet, which is a medium roasted blend with notes of blackcurrant, butterscotch, and zest. Then I made myself a simple yet comforting breakfast with eggs, tomatoes, veggies, and noodles. I spent some time working on the jigsaw puzzle that I started last year. This set is 1,000 pieces Galison Times Square. I started with the banners in the middle, then the towering buildings and sky at the top. The only part left now are the vendors and the people on the square. Later I glued the surface of the jigsaw puzzle just to make sure all of the pieces stay permanently together. I bought this frame during Black Friday sale, and I got a box of nails and hooks earlier this week. Tonight I framed my puzzle and I'm going to hang up tomorrow. Based on the instruction, you hold the hook like this, and the nail should go through these holes, and it will go into the wall at this angle. I recently bought a lot of potatoes from Costco, and I thought I would try the new meal prep recipe. I first boiled the potatoes with a pinch of salt until the potatoes can smoothly slide off the fork. I then chopped up the veggies and smashed the potatoes. Then I used a pre-mixed barbecue powder, black pepper, and olive oil to make the barbecue sauce. I also tried a roast chicken leg recipe. I started marinating last night, then I dumped a ton of lemon and tomatoes on it before I started roasting. Alright everyone, that is my 2024 New Year reset. Hope you have a great start of 2024 and I'll see you in the next video.